In this video, we're going to add a Do Not Distribute watermark to a PDF. By using Safeguard PDF Security, you can add a permanent watermark that cannot be removed in a PDF editor. You can also add other controls to the PDF to prevent it from being distributed to those who have not been authorized to view it. By default, Safeguard prevents copying and pasting, editing, printing, and sharing of protected PDF files. So to add the watermark, first open Windows Explorer, locate the document you wish to protect, right-click on the PDF, and choose Make Secure PDF. In the writer window, select the View Watermarks tab. In the Text Watermark area, select the Add Text Watermark box. The window now becomes active. First thing we're going to do is remove the existing text. Highlight it and delete it. Now we're going to enter the text we require. Do not distribute. Okay. We're going to make that slightly larger using the font feature. We're going to take that up to around 28. And we're going to change the color, in this case, to red. Click OK. We're going to leave the opacity set at about 1/3, but we're going to change the position to be across the page. So we can see what that looks like by clicking on the preview button. That's how it would appear on the document, okay, once it's viewed. Please note, watermarks are always displayed at full opacity in the preview window. Okay, and we're happy with that. You can add a text watermark both just for viewing and, if need be, for printing. In this case, we're only setting the viewing watermark. Okay, so once we're happy with that, all we have to do is click Publish. The protection status window appears and confirms that the protection has succeeded. Click OK. The protected document now appears in the listing under the original PDF. Please note it now has a .pdc extension. This is now a protected PDF file, which can only be opened with the LockLizard Secure PDF Viewer. If we double-click on the document, the Safeguard Secure Viewer will open and load the document. Here we are. Here we now have the document in view mode with the Do Not Distribute watermark clearly across the page. Okay. You can set the opacity. If that's too strong, you can weaken it and reproduce the document. If it's not strong enough, you can increase it. Okay. Please note this watermark is now a permanent feature of the document and cannot be edited in any way or removed. Once we're happy with that, close the viewer, close Windows Explorer.